Hey everyone, welcome to me and Weston's morning routine while staying at our hotel. I will explain more later at the end of the video, but for now, me and Weston just woke up around 8:40-ish. Usually he wakes me up around this time every single day, and we just lay in bed and laugh and cuddle and talk. And now I'm just changing his diaper since he's been in that diaper pretty much all night. Sometimes I change it in the middle of the night, it just honestly depends, but yeah, I'm gonna get him out of his wet diaper. So now me and Weston are gonna head downstairs to go get breakfast. The hotel serves free breakfast every single day. Usually I don't wake up in time for the free breakfast, but since today I did, I thought I might as well go and get it. Usually I cook something for him, whether it be banana pancakes or avocado toast, something like that, but today we just got breakfast from downstairs. Good morning. Good morning. Are you playing with your toys? Hi. Oh, you dropped it. Oh no! You dropped it. Here you go. So the breakfast this morning was egg, sausage, and biscuits and gravy. I'm just feeding Weston the eggs since he can't really eat anything else. Bye. After we both finish eating breakfast, we just spend a lot of time playing and doing tummy time. He's getting really close to crawling, so I've been trying to work with him on that. He's 7 months now, so it's getting closer to the time that he will be crawling and getting up and becoming very mobile. So we've just been working on that and just playing. He knows how to clap his hands now, and it's so cute. I love it. Clap your hands. Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Good job. Good job. Weston was being a little fussy, so I decided to feed him, and he actually fell asleep for like 10 to 15 minutes. I think he just needed that extra couple minutes. Who is that? Who is that? Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Say hi. I'm now putting Weston down to do some tummy time so then I can go make myself some coffee because I literally cannot get through the day without at least a cup of coffee. I usually drink iced coffee, but I don't have any left, so I had to make myself some coffee, which is still just as good, but I love iced coffee. I'm literally addicted. After drinking my coffee and playing a little longer, we came to my mom's room to say good morning to my mom and my little sister and just to hang out for a little bit. Let me see. Let me see it. Show it to the camera. So now I'm taking my dog Lola for a walk so she can go use the restroom. We're now back in my mom's room while I feed him a banana before he goes to take a nap. Weston was really tired, so in this clip he's kind of crying a little bit. He was just ready to take a nap and he being kind of fussy, but he literally cannot decide what mood he wants to be in. He's laughing one second and then crying the next. It was crazy, but yeah, I'm now changing his diaper so he can get ready for his nap. I'm also putting some lotion on him and changing him into his outfit for the day. That way when he wakes up, we can just go because we do plan to go to the park once he does wake up. Are you laughing or crying? Give me this. Fun. You're so silly. You're so silly. Who is that? Who is that? Look. Is that the baby? Now that Weston is asleep, I'm going to be getting myself ready, brushing my teeth, washing my face, doing my makeup, all that good stuff. So then we are ready to go to the park. So now I'm just packing up his diaper bag with some diapers and wipes, some changes of clothes, toys, a little squeeze pouch for food, just things that we might need while we're out. Now I'm just going to be cleaning up the room from any messes we made this morning. That way when we get back from the park, we get back to a clean room. Weston is now awake and in his car seat and ready to go to the park. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be ending this morning routine here. I also need to kind of update y'all why we're staying in a hotel. So basically, I live in Texas and we had this big winter storm and it snowed here. It doesn't usually snow here and everyone was very unprepared for it. And yeah, so basically our pipes busted and our whole house pretty much flooded. So right now we're getting new flooring. The ceiling kind of collapsed because of everything. So we had to get that fixed. Right now our house is getting painted and getting new floors and things like that. So basically that's why we're staying in a hotel, because our house is not livable as of right now. Me and Weston were staying at my friend's house for a while because the hotel was not ready yet, but now it's ready, so we're staying at the hotel. So yeah, that's just kind of a little update on our lives and why we're staying in a hotel right now. Hopefully our house will be ready by next month. Fingers crossed, because I'm ready to be home. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this morning routine of us in the hotel. And yeah, bye guys.